In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect headphones to PS5 controller. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. And if you are looking for discounts on PS5 games and accessories, you can check out the links in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the thing is that you can connect only wired headphones or earphones to the PS5 controller. If your headphones are wireless, you can use a Bluetooth adapter or dongle to connect them to your PS5. If you don't want to use an Bluetooth adapter or dongle, you can connect your headphones to the TV if your TV has Bluetooth. So now to connect the wired earphones or headphones to your controller, the PS5 controller, take the controller and here you'll see the place to connect the wired headphones or earphones. So put the aux cord here and the wired headphones or earphones are connected. So by going into the settings you can change the volume, and yeah, so this is how you can connect your headphones to the PS5 controller. Thanks for watching.